Hey friends, quick update. These have fully cured and I want to show you just how easily they come off of, is it not focusing because it's too far? Anyway, just how easily they come off of these metal dies. Now obviously I have a little spillover, that's easy to clean up, but let me show you again. Now watch this one not work nearly as well as that one did. But didn't I tell you? There we go. You just have to get it started, but yeah, see? Comes straight off. So you can use, for the ones that have like added little like indents, you could use that side or you could use this side. Totally up to you. But yeah, so these are fully cured. They're a lot easier to pop off. So that was my bad for pouring them last minute. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update before this video starts. This is about yesterday's video, by the way. Go watch it if you haven't. Okay? Alright, enjoy the rest of 31 Days of Resinween. Hello friends, welcome to Resinween. Okay, so I know that I filmed a little, hey look, this is so much easier. That was when I was going to do something different for today's video, but now I'm going to actually use some of those pieces. So I'm really excited about this one actually. Ever since I saw this film strip die in the cat scrappiness shop and the ghosts, I just... Perfect, perfect, perfect. We're going to make a Halloween card. Yet again, as I've stated plenty of times before, we are going to be doing some bigger projects and some littler projects. This is a littler project. So, I've also got over here the tombstones. This one turned out so cute with little cracks in it. Again, you could use it on this side if you want it plain, but I kind of like the cracks. And then this was the other tombstone that broke this morning when I was trying to demold the actual resin, like the two-part resin. But it looks really cool, kind of broken up. So it says RIP, and I think that if I put it on the card, kind of cattywampus like this, it'll look like it's meant to be broken. I don't know, I think that's so cool. And then I've got my 3 little ghosties here. Very cute. Obviously, I have, you know, the film strip. I've also got some very, very old K & Company letters. We're going to be spelling out a very, very special word today, folks. We're going to be spelling out the word boo. I know. How crafty. How original. These are from 2014. So, and I needed 2 packs because it only comes with 1 small O. So, yeah. So, I have that. I have all of this resin stuff. Let me set this down. I've got some black, pretty thick cardstock. This is going to be for the base of the card. And then I've got this DCWV Halloween stack. This is called the Spooky Time stack, and this is from 2013. And I really think, honestly, originally I was going to do the spider webs. I thought the spider webs were kind of cool. But seeing as this is black and this is white, I'm wondering if something else wouldn't look better behind it. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Like, I kind of want to pop a color, but then again, I don't know. That purple's really pretty. Oh, I wish you guys were here to tell me which one you liked. I do like the clocks and the cogs as well. Well, everything is black and white. Should we go a classic black and white, like, damask? Should we do that? You know what? We're going to do that. Okay. So, this is going to be a super quick and simple assembly job. What glue am I going to use? I guess I should have thought of that. Oh, we're going to use Hopefully that didn't mess up my microphone. We're going to use some of the Mondo liquid glue, I think, for this. Mostly for the resin pieces. That's the part that I need the Mondo glue for. For the paper, you know, obviously we're going to do tape runner. Okay? So, I'm going to put on some soothing, spooky music. And we're going to get assembling. And I don't even think that I'm going to come back and talk about it afterwards. I'm just going to roll right into the beautiful bean footage of the glamour shots at the end. So, this is a relaxing, deep breath, spooky card day. Okay? All right. Let's take a deep breath. Don't forget to hydrate. And let's enjoy.